Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Myself Deepak Maruti Atigre and I am currently pursuing of my final year BTech in Mechanical Engineering from COP Technological University with a CGPA of 7.93. Over the past few years, I have not only built a strong academic foundation but also gained real-world industrial work experience through Torque Motors, Larsen & Toubro Construction and SGK India. Today I will share a most significant project which is automated implant driver, an innovative dental tool design which published in International Journal in June 2025. First of all, I will talking about my problem statements. In dental implant surgeries, inserting implant into jaw bone requires precise and controlled torque. During the implant insertions, we need to give anesthesia to the patients. So, doctor use either manually or motorized tool for the implant insertion. So, first of all, discuss manual tool. A manual tool has the own drawbacks, which has suppose there is the number of patient has different jaw bone density. So, when we are push or applied force during this during these implant insertions required force and as well as high torque. So this surgeon or doctor face high fatigue into hand and also high pain into hand. Due to this, take some rest and the patient feel discomfortable. Second of the is the motorized tool. Motorized tool has own drawback which is high RPM. Due to we can't directly use for the insertion of the implant. So this break during the inserting and chances of the incline during the inserting to jaw. So considering these all challenges, we design compact, precise and control torque tool. So here we are use engineering principle which is torque speed regulations and ergonomic design. For the torque control, I use 12-volt DC with 800 RPM rated motor with paired 3-stage planetary gearbox which has 27:1 gear ratio to increase torque while reducing rotational speed. For the speed regulation, we use a potentiometer based on a variable resistor to control 0 to 30 RPM. Here, we use the safety purpose NPN transistor based current protection circuits. And for the ergonomics, we used compact housing comfortable grips. So, for this tool design, we use technology and tool used in mechanical design. Example, Fusion 360 and CATIA for CAD modules. Also, we design this tool with the help of mechanical engineering concept and also engineering concept with the help of this manual and motorized tool. We design automated tool. So this gives comfort to the patient and also surgeons. So here shows the exploded and also assembly view. In the next slide, I will show you how to work through animation. When we rotate this knob, then start to rotating speed which is 0 to 30 RPM as per the requirement. And when we stop or decrease the speed, we rotate anti-clockwise and the motor stop the current flowing through and we stop the rotations. So finally the automated implant drivers combines mechanical engineering with healthcare needs. So this project not only gave me technical skill in design, manufacturing and electronic circuits, but also strengthened my ability to solve real world problem with innovative thinking.